I recently worked with Lior on Fiverr to create thumbnails for my gaming YouTube channel, and the results were absolutely amazing. The thumbnails are vibrant and perfectly capture the energy and excitement of gaming. The use of bold colors, dynamic graphics, and sharp imagery really makes my videos stand out. Lior clearly understands the gaming niche. Each thumbnail was expertly designed to appeal to my audience, with elements that resonate with gamers and fans of my content. High click-through rate. Since updating my thumbnails with Lior's designs, I've noticed a significant increase in my video click-through rate. The thumbnails are not only attractive, but also enticing, encouraging viewers to click and watch. Fast and professional. The delivery was quick, and the quality exceeded my expectations. Lior was professional, communicative, and responsive to my feedback, making sure every detail was perfect. Consistent quality. Every thumbnail was consistent with my channel's branding, yet unique enough to keep my content fresh. This consistency has helped build a stronger visual identity for my channel. Overall, I highly recommend Lior for anyone looking to enhance their gaming YouTube channel with high-quality, eye-catching thumbnails. The investment is totally worth it, and I'll definitely be returning for more.